Hello and welcome to my quarantine kitchen. In today's episode, I would like to show you how to make Malva pudding. So the ingredients for a Malva pudding, quite simple. A cup of full cream milk. You need a cup of flour, a tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of apricot jam, 1 egg, half a cup of sugar. I've got brown sugar, but if you don't have brown, it's perfectly fine. You can use white. And in this bowl, I have a teaspoon of bicarb, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. So the method is quite simple. You need a large mixing bowl, and we have an electric whisk. We're going to start with the egg and the sugar, and to that I'm going to add the jam. And now we're going to bring this entire mixture together. So this is what the mixture looks like. To that I'm going to add the cup of milk and the vinegar. And we're going to give this a quick stir. That's what it looks like after you have mixed it. And now I'm going to add the dry ingredients, the flour and the bicarb, baking powder and salt, and bring all of this together as well. So the next step, I've used a casserole which I've added a spray on cook, and then we have quite a weak mixture which I'm going to pour into this dish. And we're going to bake this at about 180 degrees in a preheated oven. So while the Malva pudding is in the oven, I'm going to make a quick syrup. We need a cup of milk and half a cup of sugar. I'm using less sugar. If you want the topping a bit sweeter, you can add a little bit more sugar. And then we're going to bring this mixture to a boil. And when the Malva pudding is out of the oven, we're going to add this on top. So the Malva pudding is out of the oven, it's nice and hot, and to that I'm going to add the milky syrup. And we're going to allow this to seep through. And this lovely bake is done in no time. It can be served with ice cream, custard, or had plain. It tastes amazing, and I don't think that you want to buy Malva pudding after trying this recipe.